Welcome, and we're here today at the 2023 edition of the Learning and Teaching Expo, where over the last few days we've seen thousands of schools and teachers come to look at 524 exhibition booths, showcasing the very latest technology and innovation for schools and students. We've also had over 270 seminars and workshops with the major themes in education today, the Greater Bay Area, AI in education, well-being for students, amongst a whole host of other things. So we're delighted to have been here this year, and we look forward to next year on the 11th to the 13th of December, when we'll be back again for the 2024 edition.
Learning and Teaching Expo is a strong pillar of support for the Hong Kong education industry. We are here to empower educational professionals with skills and knowledge to thrive in the area of Education 4.0. As a professional platform, LTE is a wonderful opportunity for individuals from all walks of life and all corners of the globe to come together to explore the new pedagogical horizon that adapt to the changing educational needs of our time. It is not just an event, but a catalyst for the collaborations across different sectors and across borders.
咁我覺得今年個學與教博覽咧，其實好俾到同工咧一路繼續係吸收啲新嘅資訊啦，亦都大家有好多反思嘅空間啊！究竟點可以將我哋嘅教育咧做得更加好？主辦方其實佢哋真係好與時並進，將人工智能呢個大家都好關注同埋好熱門嘅題目咧，擺喺一個今次嘅展覽入邊。
咁今年係我哋第3年參加 LTE 嘅展覽啦，咁我哋都好開心，每一年有呢個機會可以同老師同埋業界學界好直接嘅內容去溝通到我哋嘅產品，介紹到我哋想做嘅嘢俾佢認識啦。咁又係一個好嘅機會俾我哋去同翻我哋嘅 target audience 去進行一個直接嘅溝通啦。咁幫到我哋咧有更多喺生意上面啦，同埋我哋攞到好多更多 user feedback 翻嚟，去幫到我哋嘅生意去成長嘅。
It's such an energizing event. I mean, so many really amazing exhibition presentations that I could pass by. So definitely a place I want to visit again. It's an event that also helps you to get so many new connections. It's a really nice way to connect with many different people.
It's been great to be here at the Learning and Teaching Expo in Hong Kong, where there's lots of energy and interest in technology and artificial intelligence from educators, from developers, who are part of the conversation about the way these technologies are influencing education and the ways in which education can be empowered by these technologies.
我哋其實每一年咧都會去參加 LTE Learning and Teaching Expo 咧，喺學與教呢一個咁大型亞洲首屈一指嘅一個教育博覽咧，著實咧係幫咗好多咧從事教育科技相關我哋嘅園區公司。透過今次嘅活動咧，絕對係可以幫佢哋增加一啲生意嘅機會，同埋讓咧學界咧更加理解原來好多新嘅方案咧係可以帶到去學校。
We're really excited to be here in Hong Kong visiting this amazing expo. We've travelled from Singapore especially for this expo, and we can't believe the range of stalls and exhibitors that are here.
And also the thinking about AI and the future of education has been really thought-provoking, and we're looking forward to taking it back to our colleagues and talking about it.
喺學教博覽裏邊，亦都係俾咗一個好嘅交流平台，能夠令到業界嚟到豐富嗰個嘅教育嘅新趨勢，可以促進咗係大家係互相嘅交流，亦都係一個好好學習嘅機會。
It's been a pleasure and a privilege to be invited to the LTE 23 conference. It's a great way to meet with partners and customers and collaborate with our peers and learn more from them, and also help us to explore further opportunities for growth in our markets as well.
今年已經係我哋德萃學校第6年咧，帶晒我哋全部100幾位小學部嘅老師咧嚟參與LNT Expo 嘅日子啦。咁我哋每年都將其中一日教師發展日咧，就嚟到呢一度，因為呢度有唔同嘅 booth 啦，唔同嘅講座啦。唔單止我哋同事可以按翻各取所需，自己揀翻自己有興趣或者題目去了解之外咧，我哋亦都有我哋嘅同事咧去參與一啲分享，我哋叫做教學相長啊。咁大家記得參與啦。